Have you ever followed every rule, ditched the carbs, swallowed your meds on time, checked your glucose like clockwork, and still felt like you're losing the battle against diabetes? Here's the uncomfortable truth. It's not just about sugar. The silent culprits sabotaging your efforts may be something most doctors barely mention. Minerals. Yes, the tiny nutrients quietly running your metabolism, stabilizing your nerves, fueling your energy, and supporting insulin, are missing in action. And if you're in the US, the odds are even higher that you're deficient. But it doesn't have to stay that way. Stick around, because this video could be the turning point you didn't know you needed. We're diving into the 3 most powerful but overlooked minerals for diabetics, the best foods and supplements to restore them, and the silent habits stealing them away from you every single day. Mineral number 3? Almost no one talks about it. Yet it could be the game changer you've been searching for. Act 1. The vicious cycle of magnesium. Let's start with magnesium, your body's unsung metabolic guardian. Every time your blood sugar spikes, your kidneys try to flush out the excess, but in doing so, they're quietly stealing your magnesium too. Over time, that loss becomes a silent sabotage. Here's the kicker. Low magnesium leads to insulin resistance, and insulin resistance causes even higher blood sugar, which leads to even more magnesium loss. It's a biochemical doom loop. Feeling tired despite sleep? Cramping in your legs? That pins and needles feeling in your feet? Anxiety? Insomnia? These aren't just symptoms. They're red flags waving at a deeper problem. And it gets worse. Low magnesium wrecks hormone levels, slows nerve repair, raises heart attack risk, and weakens your libido. But here's the good news. You can fix it. A handful of pumpkin seeds, a cup of sautéed spinach, even an ounce of dark chocolate, yes, chocolate, can rebuild your levels. Supplements? Choose magnesium glycinate or bisglycinate. They absorb better and won't upset your stomach. Warning: caffeine, alcohol, sugar, white flour, and even excess calcium can drain your magnesium stores like a leaky bucket. Be honest. Did you have coffee and toast for breakfast? You may have just flushed your magnesium down the drain. Act 2. Zinc. The game changer you're ignoring. Let's shift gears to zinc, a mineral you've probably never associated with diabetes. Until now. Zinc plays a key role in insulin secretion. Without it, insulin can't work correctly. And here's the twist. Diabetes causes you to urinate zinc away faster than normal. Sound familiar? Slow healing cuts, more colds and flu, sugar cravings that won't quit, dry skin, hair loss, white spots on nails. Zinc isn't just an immune booster. It's a hormone stabilizer, a nerve protector, and a blood sugar defender. You need more of it, and chances are you're not getting enough. Best food sources? Oysters, pumpkin seeds, grass-fed beef, liver, chickpeas. Think Mediterranean lamb chops with a pumpkin seed crust. Or, for the brave, raw oyster sashimi. Supplements: zinc picolinate or bisglycinate are your best bet, 15 to 30 milligrams per day for most people. Just remember, zinc and copper compete. Balance is everything. Pattern interrupt. Quick quiz. Do you crave sweets constantly or struggle with stubborn acne? You might be zinc deficient without even knowing it. Act 3. Chromium, the hidden key to blood sugar mastery. Now let's talk about the most underappreciated mineral in diabetes care, chromium. This one's the secret weapon for improving insulin sensitivity. Chromium acts like a coach for insulin, helping it move sugar into your cells efficiently. Without it, insulin starts fumbling. And the worst part? Diabetics lose chromium every single day through urination. Think about that. The more sugar in your blood, the more chromium you lose right when you need it the most. Warning signs: roller coaster blood sugar, foggy brain, extreme cravings, nerve pain, low energy and mood swings. Sound familiar? Chromium could be the key. Top food sources: broccoli, Brazil nuts, lean beef, eggs. Fancy dinner idea? Wagyu steak with garlic broccoli and a Brazil nut pesto. Supplements like chromium picolinate or polynicotinate can restore balance. But as always, talk to your doctor first. Cliffhanger. Here's the twist: your chromium levels can tank from stress, processed food, and even too much cardio. Could your healthy lifestyle be hurting your recovery? If you're stuck in the cycle of sugar crashes, chronic fatigue, and stubborn blood sugar, even while following the rules, it's time to look deeper. Magnesium, zinc, and chromium aren't just supplements. They're tools to reclaim your energy, protect your nerves, and take back control of your health. Now that you know the truth, what will you do about it? Let me know in the comments. Which mineral surprised you the most today? If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more science-backed, life-changing health tips. And they don't stop here. To truly master your health, check out our next video on the power of compounding, not in finance, but in your habits. Tiny health changes add up. Click the end screen now and discover how small steps can create massive transformation over time. Watch that next. You owe it to your future self.